In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a content warning to your tweets on your mobile phone. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward and simple. The process will work on both Android devices and iOS devices. So what you want to do is you just want to create a tweet as you would normally do by tapping the plus icon at the bottom right hand corner. So I'll tap on that. And for this, I'm going to upload a photo. I'll select the photo real quick. There we go. Once the photo has been embedded as your tweet, tap the three vertical dots at the bottom right of the photo. Then you'll notice at the far right, you have all those different options there. Tap on the flag, which is at the bottom right hand corner. And now you can select your content warning. So you can choose any one of these three, and you can even select all of them at once if you want to. For this example, I'll say that it's sensitive. And then what you want to do is tap on done at the top right hand corner and then save at the top right hand corner. And now you can see that flag is in blue, meaning that the content has a warning on it when you go ahead and post that. So then you would just go ahead and tweet that by tapping the tweet button at the top right hand corner. And then you'll have your tweet with a content warning on it. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.